Drop it. Oh, quiet. Quiet. Oh, you almost had it. Drop it. Oh, shut up. Quit being a jerk. Oh, you're a jerk. You're a jerk. Oh, you missed it. You gotta be better than that. Drop it. I said drop it. Don't be a jerk with it. Shut that mouth. Shut that mouth. Oh. I suck at a cameraman. I think that's a big part of this whole problem. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Quiet. 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 Hush. Be quiet. Shut that mouth. Hey. 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 You're a jerk. But a cool jerk, nevertheless. What's this one gonna do? This one's about to poop. You can feel it. My poop sense is tingling. Oh man, she's going to hide for it. There it goes. Alright, I'll let her do that. Hey! Nice catch. Oh, you with the barking and the noise and the face and the jerkiness. Alright, Gold, you're pretty boss. Yeah, if you could shut your mouth for like 2 minutes. You frickin' Highlander pup. Can't shut up. You don't like the Celtics, though, we know that. At the least you understand that. Back up to me, fool.